Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import LUTs into Sony cameras. So first what you're going to do is clean up your SD card. So you can do that here on the computer if you want, or in camera. So yeah, you just need to format right here. I think on computer is much easier that you don't jump on menus in camera. Okay, when you do that, what we are going to do is jump here to the private on SD card, to Sony map, and then right here we can create LUT folder like so. Press enter, and now we have LUT folder right in here. Now what we need to do is drag and drop cube files, so LUT files, into that final LUT folder. So let me just give a few moments to find these LUTs. Okay, so now I have these LUTs right here. So what I'm going to do now is just copy them and go to my folder with LUT like that, paste it in. All right. And what we can do now is uh, safely eject the memory card from your computer, and we will pop it back into our Sony camera. And yeah, see you in the camera. Alright, so now we are back in the camera. What we need to do now is press the menu button. Is it working? Okay, so let me close it and rerun it again. Okay, activate like so. Alright, now it's working. We will go to pink exposure color here. So if you are using older version of the camera, as I do, so I have Sony R3, Sony Alpha 7 R3. We do not have a native internal menu option to import custom LUT. So if you have newer version, look for the exposure color menu, and then you will have there some color tone. Then you also have some manage LUTs somewhere in that menu, and then you can import these LUTs. You will choose slot. So let's, for example, say LUT user 1, and then you can upload that LUTs. Now, how we do that in older version of the camera, how we can do that is we can manipulate that with using picture profiles. So let me find this menu. So we need to go to the menu, then camera settings 1. So this is the camera 1 icon, and then you scroll down here to the 12 page, and you will see picture profile. Click on that, and now here you can select from these profiles. What you can also do is set them. So you can set here, if you click in this menu here, to PP2, let's say gamma, we will put it in scene 4. So this will give you beautiful highlight roll off. Then we have color mode will be cinema, and then details we will select -7, just like that. And yeah, this is basically how we can use that on older cameras, and in new cameras you will just select it as you will upload it LUTs into the camera, and then you will choose from it. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next